guys, we're here today. It's just a fast video, probably about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, winterizing some of our properties. We don't have a whole lot that we do. We just do pretty much the ones that we install irrigation. But it's cold. It's about like 30 degrees right now. We're trying out we're trying out this Predator Super Quiet one, which we've been wanting one for a while now, and see how it goes. It's not gonna be a super long video, but here's that. There's a compressor we use. We've had that for years and it works. It's a little bit slower, but there you go. Next clip will be us at the store or at the places. Yeah.
But it's like,
all right. Well, on the door, that's that thing, way. Oh, all right, guys. First house. Get yourself a shut off. You can start it up, way. No, that's where I fucked up too. Down.
the choke?
Yeah.
Quiet down a little.
Yeah.
So I think that's just the idle.
Right.
And once it has the pressure.
That's just way louder. Oh, there's all she wrote.
Not enough?
I don't know. It says
it has a thing over there. Is there a thing to switch it?
what? Well, it's right here saying carbon monoxide shut off, flashing red light.
What does that mean?
Is it because I think it's because it's on the
Oh. It's not breathing.
yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's exhausted.
Dude, I doubt that's way too much because it was running earlier. You want to put it on the well, I can't really go on the floor either.
I just let it run for a minute.
So far, still doing pretty good. Alright guys, I haven't really been recording. This is, I don't know. There it is. We had to buy a new compressor too, because that old one just kept, it was overloading the generator. So we got a new compressor and a generator today. So it's working great. It takes a little bit longer, but it's going good. What's up guys, we're at one of our last ones. I didn't really do a lot of recording just because we were really in a rush yesterday, but here's the setup. Here's our setup that we had. A new generator with this compressor. It works decently. I mean, it works good enough for what we do. We don't do a lot of winterizations anyways, so it works great for what we got. Turn off the other side.
No, I just opened the actual cylinder.
No?
No?
No.
Oh, I closed it up. So I was trying to let the pressure out over there.
Yeah. Are you good?
There you go.
Oh shit.
Put it in first and then open it?
Here, at the same time. Ready? The grass looks great though.
Yeah.
It really does. Yeah, what? You've probably done different ones. Edges too, though.
I mean, you're here, 8, 10?
8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Where? Over there? Yeah. That's the only thing with this small setup is you gotta be doing it once or twice just to make sure all the air is out of it, but not too bad. And yeah, so, but we did this landscaping earlier this year. RIP right here. I think he's dead. Yeah, he's gone. He's also getting his shop built. But that grass looks great. We did that, I think, in like early spring or so. Some tall fescue mix. That looks great. Alrighty, well that's about it for the winterizations.